Hey, how would you like us to crush your to-do list and give you the most thorough cleaning ever? I'm Neil Zott, and I'm the owner of NLZ Cleaning. We've helped thousands of busy men and women take back their time to spend on the things they care about. So what does the most thorough cleaning ever mean? What's the concept behind that? For some of you, you're bogged down by a never-ending list of things you have to get done. For some of you, you think, why am I scrubbing toilets? There has to be a better way. And for others, you're just looking for that one service that will allow you to focus on all the other things that you actually enjoy. So my goal for this offer is to give you back your time so that you can spend it on the things most valuable to you. You know, not many realize this, but the average person spends 6 hours cleaning their home each week. The big idea here is those minutes we spend making the bed, scrubbing toilets, and mopping floors adds up to way more time than we think each week. The minutes add up to valuable hours you could be spending doing something fun with your friends or family. As we all know, we can't slow time down or pause it. The main thing to understand here is that while we can cut down the time we spend cleaning, there's still a set amount of items you have to get done to maintain a clean household. This means the only option we have is to cut corners or push something off to next week. But really, you're just robbing from Peter to pay Paul. Those tasks still need to get done whether you do them now or later. And you've only got so many hours each week available to you. This is key because no one is Superman. No one is Wonder Woman. You can only tackle so much. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hiring a cleaning service is too expensive. Well, the tricky thing is that money replenishes. Most people spend their money on things that don't really add value to their lives in any meaningful way. You should be investing that money in products and services that will actually benefit you. And so I've crafted this exclusive premium cleaning package so you can gain back your time and spend it on the things that you actually care about. What this is going to do, it's going to allow you to stop scrubbing toilets, stop mopping floors, and allow you to spend valuable time with your family and friends. Wouldn't an extra 6 hours with your family each week be awesome? So what I've done is I've put together an exclusive deep cleaning package. If you click the link, you can book your first deep cleaning service immediately. I don't know how much longer we'll keep this package available. Prices will probably go up because we don't have enough available time slots. So click the link and get it today while it's still available. We're always here to help, and I can't tell you the amazing results we've gotten for busy men and women across the tri-state area just like you who are struggling with too much to do and too little time. We also have recurring discounts for weekly and monthly service, but today I'm talking about our exclusive deep cleaning package, which is absolutely amazing. I can't wait to see you on the inside. Have a great day.